Hey, welcome back. This is Gamer 360. Look at that fidget spinner. It's weird. Look how it spins. And then goes like that, and look at the bottom. Just stop it. It's like a UFO.
Mom, can you make a pizza?
Go ahead. Oh! See this.
Mine does this. Watch. Oh, this is...
Oh, fidget spinners! We're gonna do fidget spinners.
Look!
Oh, we're gonna do fidget spinners on a Sprite bottle cap. Yeah! Okay. Okay, wait. Take it off, David. Let me do it. Look at that! Look
can do it on my phone.
that. Look at the bottom. Oh, it matches it right. He's gonna ruin it. Oh, man. Stop it, stop. And then look, I'm a. He broke it, look. What the? I broke it?
No, I'm just kidding.
Give me my fidget spinner. And I will be watching that shit. Doing this. Balancing on my knee. See if I. No, I can't. Just my fault. Ooh, let's balance it on. Oh, can I borrow your fidget spinner?
No, hold on.
No, I'm gonna do balancing too.
Huh?
What the?
You're the smash it.
Mom, look!
Okay, we'll smash it. We'll smash it.
No, Mom. Hello. I'm gonna do the T-bomb. Where's the key at?
I know, I can do something. It's right there.
Well, look at this. I'm gonna put it on this T-bottle. Oh, my brother's gonna balance it, watch. That's it. Spin it. They're both spinning, dang! Looks like a double UFO glowing. Look at that crap.
Oh, I can do it.
Give me my
No, I can do it.
Give me my fidget spinner. Oh, and it's spinning still. Look at that. That's mine.
This one's yours.
Okay. Damn. There's that. Okay.
Where is it?
Right behind the curtains. Okay. Now, I will be doing it on the T thing. Okay, get ready to spin. Look at this. And while it's moving. Oops. Crap. Now, look, I'm getting pizza.
Look on my face.
I can't get pizza. You do it on a on the back of my sister's cup. No, this won't work. Why is this in this? Can't find anything to do else without it. How about I make Is that your fidget spinner? No. Look up! Look up! Do you guys see that? You know that fan right there spinning? It looks like a fidget spinner. Look up! That ain't my fidget spinner. My fidget spinner's right here. You can balance on this container. I don't know what it is. So mom's container, maybe gel container, something like that. what else I can balance on. This cream thing, I don't know what it is. I bought it. Balance for fidget spinner. I would just use fidget. That, and then save it. And I'm doing it. A champagne. I mean, wine bottle. That's my mom's wine, but she doesn't drink it. Get away. Yeah. You're gonna get that middle finger out of here. Where is he at? And oh.
Look at this nigga!
Who? Skeleton? Executioner. You know his ass like kills everybody? Oh, time. Okay. Ooh. Balance it with this little weird thingy. Balance it on this. This is here. Stuff. It's tight. And let's see if I can balance it on this thing, or if not. Guess that's it. Give me 360 out. Peace.